Hi, my name is Brad McDonald. I'm an employment lawyer and partner at Godfreys Law in Christchurch, and I lead a team of employment lawyers who act for both employers and employees with many years of experience successfully navigating employment relationship problems. Helpfully WorkSafe has issued some guidelines around what bullying is and examples of bullying behaviour. So WorkSafe defines bullying as repeated and unreasonable behaviour that is directed towards an employee that creates a risk to their health and safety. So an example of workplace bullying could be micromanagement, for example. Repeatedly nitpicking on a daily or hourly even basis an employee's work and telling them it's no good if in fact that is done for reasons other than quality of work or productivity. No one needs to be subject to nitpicking or micromanagement. It's not appropriate. If there are performance concerns, they should be addressed through a performance management process. Other examples of bullying are calling someone derogatory names repeatedly, giving them even, for example, unreasonable workloads and deadlines repeatedly, with a motive that or motivation I should say, or motive, they fail under the weight of their work, so that they'll walk from the wrong. So there are all many different types of bullying, and WorkSafe actually in the example guidelines that they publish, which are available online, give many different examples of overt and less overt examples of bullying. So sometimes they can be very subtle. Mental manipulation, for example, or mental psychological abuse. Just as you'd see, for example, the different types of abuse in a marital relationship, some of those things can flow over to what equates to workplace bullying. So, it's not just the classic, telling someone they're no good or they're a so-and-so or picking on them in terms of the schoolyard bullying sense. There's a whole gamut of different behaviours that can be considered as bullying if they're unreasonable, repeated, and they're directed obviously against one employee, and they pose a risk to the employee's health and safety, because health and safety is just broader than actually something falling off a shelf up above you in the workplace and hitting you on the head. It's actually psychological risks as well in the workplace. So look, if this is a situation that you're experiencing in the workplace, whether you be an employer or an employee, myself and my team have many years experience in handling both sides of this coin and being able to offer you pragmatic real-world advice to navigate these issues successfully and in a timely manner, because time is critical. I find things tend to grow legs if they're not dealt with quickly. So that's one of our main focuses here, is giving you the advice you need at the time you need it in a manner in which you can understand and deploy on the ground quite smart.